up a lot of ownership of TikTok, and the companies that own those companies are, take a guess, BlackRock, State Street, Vanguard. So you know,
Yeah, I
it
mean, I thought it was a
is
little
what
bit
it
weird
is.
for it to
They
get
own everything
deleted.
already. Why not?
I thought it was a little bit weird for it to get deleted and then come back the next day. Like delete it off the app store and then to be back next day, less than 24 hours to me was like
I think they
crazy.
were just, they wanted to call China's bluff because I think they were probably in a bidding war. I believe they were probably in a bidding war somewhere, and somebody was trying to get the final bid, and they did the little take it down for a day ish to just kind of buy it a little bit more time, something.
Yeah.
Because it was definitely a lot of my wife says that the whole TikTok thing, she thinks the whole TikTok thing was a distraction from the fact that all the rich people bought a lot of Trump's meme coin before it rose up, because a bunch of headlines about that started coming out right after TikTok came back, which I think is a solid theory.
That is dead. I was trying, bro. I gotta get on these meme coins, bro, because they be making, bro. They be getting paid
Oh
quick,
yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
quick.
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't get in that much. I got like a little bit of a buy off the meme coin, but like I caught. I thought about doing it last minute, and it's not available on like all the exchanges or anything like that. It's only available in certain exchanges. Well, it might be now today, but at least like a week ago, it wasn't everywhere. It was like day by day, more exchanges were picking it up. So it was in a limbo, and I'm hesitant to trade anything that's not like, you know,
Solidified.
certain, real, you know what I'm saying, consistent, you know what I mean? I'm
Yeah.
all about consistency. I'm all about, things that have real value, you know what I mean? And Trump coin doesn't have much value outside of Trump's face. So
That's a
it is
fact.
what
That was just, bro.
it
I mean, people were pissed.
is.
Like,
Angry.
like people are addicted to TikTok, and that's just crazy to me. Like, people are addicted like a
Yes.
drug, bro.
You got to understand though, like, social media, like likes and stuff like that, and interactions, actually scientifically, I learned this. I saw a video about this. There, it's almost like dopamine,
Oh,
like getting
not
like,
almost. It is.
yeah, it activates the same way. So like, you know, people are literally addicted to TikTok. Like, there's
But
probably need to be some, like, a new uh, uh, category of doctors of mental health specifically for people affected by TikTok,
bro,
because they're gonna need help when something else comes along and ruins it or destroys it, or for some odd reason it actually gets taken away. Because it's not gonna be there for everything, and even if it does, evolve and do become a longevity thing, I think the people that use it on a mundane level are probably just gonna get older and just fall out of love with doing it. And then the people that are actual creators here on it, creating value, are gonna be the ones that last through that longevity and whatnot. Just like,
yeah,
and just like any other one of these apps or whatever. You know what I'm saying?
exactly.
But let's get back into it.
Because I got to use it. And remember, TikTok is largely about kids, young kids. If China's going to get information about young kids, I don't know. I think, to be honest, I think we have bigger problems than that. But when you take a look at telephones that are made in China and all the other things that are made in China, military equipment made in China,
What?
TikTok,
Oh, D, bro.
I think TikTok is not their biggest problem. But there's big value in TikTok if it gets approved. If it doesn't get approved, there's no value. So if we create that value, why aren't we entitled to like half?
To like half. Trump's a gangster.
How many news conferences